Hello, and welcome to the program where you learn real English through everyday conversations. I'm Henry.
And I'm Sam. Hello there. In this program, we chat about an interesting subject and teach you some useful vocabulary along the way.
So, Sam, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel nervous when you have to speak in front of other people?
Oh, all the time. My heart beats fast, my hands shake, and I forget every word I wanted to say.
You're not alone. And that is our topic today: how to be more confident. We'll learn 5 natural phrases that English speakers use to talk about confidence. But first, here's today's question. It's true or false. Pretending to be confident can actually make you more confident. True or false?
I'd say false. Surely you can't just trick yourself into feeling brave.
We'll find out at the end of the program. Keep it in mind. So, let's begin. Some people are shy. They stay quiet and they hide their real self, like a turtle inside its shell. When a shy person slowly becomes open and friendly, we say they come out of their shell.
So, to come out of your shell means to stop being shy and start showing who you really are?
Exactly. Maybe you join a class or speak to someone new, and little by little, you come out of your shell. Now imagine a person who trusts their own choices. They know what they think, and they don't worry all the time. We say this person is sure of themselves.
So to be sure of yourself means to trust your own ideas and feel calm about who you are.
That's it. When you are sure of yourself, you can speak without fear. It's a quiet, steady trust in your own mind.
But Henry, sometimes I make a choice, and a minute later I think, maybe I was wrong. What do we call that?
That's a good one. To doubt a choice you have already made is to second guess it.
So if I decide something and then keep changing my mind again and again, I'm second guessing myself.
Exactly. And here's the answer to our first question. Sometimes you act confident before you feel confident. You smile, you stand up, you speak, even when you're nervous. We call this fake it till you make it.
So fake it till you make it means to act brave until the brave feeling becomes real?
Yes, you're not lying. Your actions slowly teach your mind to feel strong. Many great speakers started exactly this way. And there's one simple thing your body can do to help. Look at your posture right now. Lift your head, open your chest, and stand tall.
To stand tall. To hold your body straight and proud and feel strong.
Perfect. When you stand tall, you breathe better and you feel more sure. Your body can lead and the feeling will follow. Now, back to today's question. I asked, true or false? Pretending to be confident can make you more confident. Sam, you said false.
I did. Was I wrong?
Actually, it's true. When you act confident, when you fake it till you make it, your brain slowly starts to believe it. Your actions can change how you feel inside.
Amazing. So the body really can lead the mind.
It can. Right, let's recap today's 5 phrases. First, To come out of your shell. To stop being shy.
Then, to be sure of yourself, to trust your own ideas and feel calm.
To second guess. To doubt a choice you've already made.
To fake it till you make it. To act brave until the feeling becomes real.
And finally, to stand tall. To hold yourself straight and proud.
So tell us, what is one small thing you could do this week to come out of your shell? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ninja English for a new episode every week. Bye for now.
Bye.